Hey guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. I'm Mike.
And I'm Ivan.
So today we got a new build, something we just got. We bought it, we're gonna go pick it up. It's gonna keep it a surprise.
We'll keep us up. And really good news, it's really close. It's actually probably, what, like 5 miles away?
That was good, because I don't know, we're just basically gonna haul it back, drive it back. So hope everything goes well. All right, let's go find out what we got.
Alright guys, so we got the truck and we got the tag. Apparently we don't need a trailer.
No trailer.
So we are ready to go. So let's hit the road.
Alright guys, so normally they give you vests, you know, the little yellow reflector things when you're out there, but due to the whole COVID thing right now, they said get your own, so we're gonna go stop by, get some vests so we don't get in trouble or anything like that. They don't kick us off, because we didn't buy from Copart, so now you know where we're going. Let's go stop by and get some vests. Alright, we got our safety vests. I feel safer already. Personalized, no spreading germs, doing our part. Let's keep going. Alright guys, so we went to the main office and they told us to go across the street. We told them that we're here and we're ready to pick up. So, they're definitely changing their systems. There's like an online app now. They let them know you're picking up a car. It's a little different. It's all good. Everybody's getting all modernized. It's nice. Going to the heavy section. Big. We got some big. Not as big as a semi truck, but we'll see. Alright, what are we gonna get? Look at all these Volvos.
A limo.
Cement truck mixer. Alright guys, so check it out. We're here, we're right by our build and we're getting a, no I'm just kidding, I'm getting inside my truck. We got ourselves a enclosed trailer. Basically a car hauling trailer. I don't know what this guy did. Some kind of racing cars. But check it out, there it is. It's always nice. Store all your toys, you know, all those nice cars. For sure, look at this thing.
Dang. Well, let's get it loaded, Michael. We gotta go.
Yeah, we gotta go, but we'll check it out at the shop, so let's go ahead and get it loaded. We'll check it out over there.
But let's check out what we got. It's a really, really tall.
How tall do you think it is? Man.
I don't know.
I don't know.
It looked like it got either this tire exploded and caught on fire maybe, because the axle looks fine. And then we got a
flat tire right there.
It's flat. We saw a nail in it, and so we're gonna look inside and maybe see if we have a spare tire. Yeah, we didn't bring one with us, so.
No, we got a jack though, but no tire.
It's not too bad.
Not too bad. Replace some panels.
It's got this really cool awning. We don't know how it works. It's got this really
yeah.
Maybe there's a race car inside.
Let's see. Check it out, see what we got. Is that heavy?
No.
Oh, cable's nice. Dang. What is that? I definitely need some love.
Yeah.
A little rubber mat.
But looks like it was a race car trailer, so that's pretty cool.
They needed a fire extinguisher, that's for sure.
Wow.
Man, definitely burn inside too. We got some work ahead of us. But this thing is huge. I mean, we got so wide, very long. Definitely get a car inside. Toolbox, what?
Got some free tools.
Nice. Batteries. Missing some drawers, but you know.
Wow, we got even a grinder, Michael.
I love the workbench. It's nice. Once it cleans up.
Not bad, no bad.
Not bad.
Anything in here?
What's in there? Let's find out.
Nothing.
Nothing. Cleaned out. Which I don't blame them. You do want to take your stuff, but I like the skylight. That's definitely doing its job. It's not that bad right now. Dang. What is that? Seriously?
What?
They had it, but guess they just didn't use it in time. Fire extinguisher. Alright, let's get it back to the shop. Light switches, probably all melted inside. Check all that out.
This reminds me of the Raptor build we did.
Oh man,
So.
yeah. I wouldn't say it's bad because we're not completely swapping everything over, but.
Oh, this cable broke.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
That's why it's
Still not bad.
just needs a new cable.
Yeah. Dang. Thing is crazy. How's it look underneath, Evan? Burned? Not too bad?
It's looking good. Alright guys, so we're pretty much we don't have a spare tire. We're only like 5 miles away, so we're gonna drive carefully, drive slowly. And I think we'll be fine on this one rim. These are crazy heavy duty axles, so I don't think we're gonna have a blowout or anything like that. So let's hit the road, let's get back to the shop.
Trailer brakes working, right, Evan?
Yeah, trailer brakes are working nice, so good to go. Hopefully that tire's gonna hold up, but we got like 4 more miles to go, so not too bad. We're gonna take some back roads, so we're going much slower. But yeah,
No highway, all
No
good.
highway.
Nice and straight. Keep going. Look at that, checkered flag.
yeah, real race car driver.
Fancy. Alright guys, so we got the awning out. Looks pretty cool, kind of neat. I like it, you know, got some shade going on. It's pretty fancy, but right now we're just gonna go ahead and just take everything out that's trash and just put it in the dumpster, go ahead and clean it out. And then we'll see what we have, you know, get it down to the bare minimum, all the little extra stuff, just take it out. See where the real damage is at. Let's do it. Not bad, it's definitely looking better. We're gonna go ahead and take these racks off because we gotta repair the wall, so go ahead and get that off. I mean, it's not horrible. Once we cleaned it up a little bit, it's getting there. Definitely need a lot of work in the ceiling though. Really take out the wood and get a new ceiling, but workable. Everything's possible. Looking good. Let's keep going. Looking better and better. Honestly, the more stuff we take off, it's like opening up the space, not looking so bad. All the burnt stuff really made it look bad, but let's go ahead and just maybe take a panel off and see what's behind it, how bad the damage is.
And the ceiling too. We'll take apart the ceiling a little bit.
Yeah.
So
let's keep going. Demolition. Alright guys, so after hours of our own demolition derby and the inside, you know, taking off all that burnt stuff, it's not gonna look that bad. Honestly, we got it down to the metal, so all that wood that's burnt, we got it off, and we got some inside. Check it out. It's fancy. Boom, we got our own spark inside. Not the spark that kind of starts fires, but like a Chevy spark. Look at all this room, and we got a full car inside. Probably fit another one. Four-wheeler, dirt bike, whatever you want. Look at that. Plenty of space.
yeah, but it fit in here really nice. Look at that.
Like a breeze.
Drove right in here nicely.
Oh yeah, that's nice. I mean, put a Mustang, something nice in later once we actually get it fixed up. Definitely still have some work ahead of us, but it's torn down. We got the car inside.
You got to redo the electrical. Electrical's really bad, so there's like, right there's the wires we got to replace. Lower light switches, so we can do our own thing, right?
Yeah, I mean, customize it the way we want. Trying to figure out what we're gonna do with it. It's fun, you know, you got a lot of options, what you want, how you want it, kind of thing. But a lot of potential, plenty of space. You can do like a second story shelves or something, I don't know. But it's fun, it's nice.
Let's check out the outside.
Alright guys, so we looked at a place not too far from here that actually sell paneling. But before we take it off, we want to get the new stuff because it might rain or something like that, so we don't want water damage as well as our fire damage. But this tire is basically no good. And we probably got burned, so got to get a tire for that as well. But the axles look pretty good. I mean, it drove here nicely. This one's solid. It's not too bad. Definitely got to get some Nico Brothers stickers or something. If you know somebody that does stuff, let us know. That'd be great. Big old, I don't know, Nico Brother trailer. That'd be great. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash the inside, you know, just get all that tar, singe stuff off as best as I can and see what we need to replace. Let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and take this grinder off. Might be good, I don't know. We'll test it out. I'm looking at it. Look at this little breaker box over here. What? That's fancy. This is the generator. And then it goes to the rest of the trailer. It's nice. Plenty of storage. Pretty cool. Alright, so it still kind of smells like smoke in here. Could be like an industrial smokehouse, you know, or a taco truck, whatever. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to just wash this stuff off a little bit, just see if we replace all these paneling or we could salvage some of them. I don't know. We'll check it out. Give it a clean. See what it does. Right now it looks pretty bad. Definitely singed. You can tell the before and after. There's a sticker used to be here, so that's crazy. Kind of coming off, but I don't know, that's a lot of work. Might just change our game plan and paint everything. Alright guys, so this stuff isn't really coming off. I'll go ahead and probably just scrap all this stuff. It's not working out that great, but the floors turned out nice. They definitely cleaned up a lot better than I thought they would. Items back with some supplies. So he's got a little vent right there because our skylight is a hole. That went right at me.
Huh?
It went right on me. Okay. Sunroof. See how it's mounted. See what we gotta do. Oh, fan on there, what? Alright guys, so we also got a sheet from the side. Probably gonna need 2 of these, but unfortunately that's all the time that we have for today. But let us know if you like this kind of build, if you want to see us complete it, or you just want to like a little look around basically when we're done. Let us know, we'll do a part 2 or not, but it's up to you guys. It's definitely exciting. It's a fun little add-on for all the other stuff, and who knows where it goes. We'll see how it turns out at the end. But we appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe, turn the notification bell. We're gonna work on that Cobra. I see you guys' comments, I know. We gotta do it.
At least we got a trailer for the Cobra now.
It's true, you know what I mean? Because there's no top in that Cobra, so if you ever go anywhere, perfect trailer for it. But alright guys, we appreciate it. Thanks for staying tuned. Until next time.